How to be ultra productive. 10 tips for mastering your time. The key to time management is self-management. Do you ever wish you had more time to do everything? Have you had days that were busy but inefficient? Would you like to be highly productive, feel accomplished at the end of each day with even time to spare? Well, the following are 10 tips to help master your time. Do not confuse busyness with productivity. Highly productive people are often less busy than those who are overworked and overwhelmed. Do not confuse the urgent with the important. Last-minute distractions from yourself and especially others are not necessarily prioritized. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. The key to time management is self-management. The bad news is, time flies, and the good news is, you are the pilot. Remember the 80-20 rule of time management, which tells us that 80% of the importance of what we do in any given day lies in only 20% of the activities. Therefore, if you focus on accomplishing the 20% of the most important tasks, you will feel more productive and satisfied at the end of the day. One man gets only a week's value out of an year, while another man gets a full year value out of a week. Use a good day planner. The best one gives you at least one full page per day, with space allotted for each working hour of the day. I must govern the clock, not be governed by it. Separate obligatory time from discretionary time. In your day planner, block out all the times when you are committed to others to be at certain place at a certain time, such as meetings, conferences, and other appointments. This is the time you can manage. Realize that now, in this moment of time, you're creative. List at the beginning of each day. Write down the bullet point list of everything you would like to accomplish this day. Make use of time. Let not advantage slip. Prioritize. Next to each bullet point items, assign an A if it is a must-do item for today, a B for should do, and a C for could do. For large projects, break it down into small parts and prioritize. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Implement. Focus on accomplishing your A list with your discretionary time. Check off each item as it's complete. With this system, even if you only accomplish 20% of your entire list for the day, you still would have accomplished 80% of the most important work. Until we can manage time, we can manage nothing else. What you don't finish today, transfer to your list for tomorrow and reprioritize. In conclusion, when we manage our time wisely, we can be at our productive best, so we can enjoy life more and rest. Time equals life. Therefore, waste your time and waste of your life, or master your time and master your life.